Stay comfortable and light on your feet when you're running and training with this silhouette from Saucony. This updated design has a water-resistant Runshield upper that helps block against any elements using a durable nylon and textile. The breathable mesh keeps it super cool on the inside, and it has a traditional lace-up for the perfect fit. Inside there's lots of padding around the collar and the tongue for better cushioning, while the foam footbed in the bottom hugs your foot for a more personalized fit and feel. It uses the all-new S-curve winged nylon plate on the inside to help return energy and support you further, with the SPEEDROLL technology that helps keep you pushing forward with its super rounded curve. The ultra lightweight and responsive PWRRUNPB foam midsole has a great boost in height with ultra cushioning for a lightweight and fast feel, so you have great shock absorption and energy return throughout. Underneath, it has an XT900 rubber outsole that helps grip the road, making this a great everyday jogger and runner.